Hey there, Escambia County administrators. Are you looking for a way to get a quick snapshot of a teacher's gradebook as you move through the 9 weeks? Well, join us today for a Byte of Tech with the student data team as we explore the Teacher Gradebook Usage Report, reviewing how teachers use the gradebook. This report gives you information at your fingertips. For the teacher's gradebook, you can see the total number of assignments, as well as when grades were last updated across all sections. This helps you ensure that students and parents are receiving that timely feedback. To access this report, from your portal page, look for your grades icon. Once selected, look for the subsection Reports, and then look down for the Teacher Gradebook Usage Report. As the report loads, we can see different types of information. Currently, I have a teacher count of 57, but if I wanted to include only graded sections, I'll put a check mark in the box at the top. Something important to remember about this report is it is separated into quarters. So currently in the top right, you can see that I'm working in quarter 2. If I wanted to switch this to quarter 1, I would receive information for that quarter only. The first column of the report is the teacher column, which defaults to alphabetized by last name. The next we have the number of assignments. This number shows you how many assignments exist in that teacher's gradebook across all sections. This is followed by the most recent assignment's due date listed here, and the most recent assignment assign date as well. In this far right column, you'll see the most recent grade change. Now you can see the dash here. This notes that there are no grades currently for any of those assignments in the gradebook. But if we come down a couple teachers, we can see here that there is an assignment that has been graded and modified on October 27th for this particular teacher. So you'll see all of those recent grade changes here. Please remember that does span across all sections, so it doesn't tell you the specific class or assignment in this column. You can use this box in the top right if you want to quickly find a specific teacher by typing their name and pressing enter. Another helpful feature of this report is being able to change the sort order of each column by clicking on the title of the column. This is a quick way to see if teachers don't have any assignments in their gradebook or if they haven't recently added grades to those assignments in the gradebook. By using this Teacher Gradebook Usage Report, you get a quick snapshot into how that teacher is updating the gradebook by seeing those number of assignments as well as the most recent grade changes. Regularly reviewing this report, as well as some of those district gradebook reports, will help you to catch and decrease the number of common issues that we see around grade posting time, while also ensuring that our parents and students are receiving timely and accurate feedback about learning progress. And that's another Byte of Tech. Join us next time, and don't forget to check out some of our additional videos on gradebook reports.